So we're going to start talking about multiple representations. So that means more than one way to look at something. A relation can be represented as a table of points, a list of ordered pairs, an equation, a graph, or even with words. Check out the video for these problems. Graphing and Desmos will definitely be your friends. All right, so let's look at some examples. Which graph represents the same linear relationship shown in this table? Well, the first thing I would do if I was given graphs in a table is I would plot the points. -1, -5. So I'm going to go -1, -5. There is no way that's it. Let's see if this one works. Yep, that's got a -1, -5. Let's see if this one does. Nope. And let's see if this one does. Nope. Well, that made it easy. It's going to be graph C, but let's try them all. 1, -1 is right there. And 2, 1 is here. And 4, 5 is here. All of these points are on graph C, so that's got to be your answer. So when you're given graphs in a table, always graph the points. If they don't give you a graph on the test, use your graph paper. Super important. All right, let's see what else we have. Well, this one says, let me see, which equation represents the same linear function as a table? Well, you could always graph it if you wanted, but you could also use Desmos. So I'm going to put in each equation. I'm going to put in -x plus 7. I'm going to go to my next line. I'm going to put in 4x plus 3. I'm going to put in 8x plus 7. And finally, I'm going to put in x plus 8. Okay? Then I'm going to see what I can find out. So I'm going to start with x equals 1. X equals 1. Well, in my table, that should give me 7. Well, x plus 8 doesn't work, so I'm going to mark that out. And x plus 7 doesn't work, so I'm going to mark that one out. And I'm also going to go ahead and delete those two. And then I'm going to keep looking. Well, 4x plus 3 gives me 7, but -x plus 7 gives me 6. So I'm going to mark that one out. But because I'm careful and I don't want to miss anything, I'm going to try my other 2 points. X equals 3 gives me 15. X equals 5 gives me 23. So that means B is definitely my answer. Use graph paper, use Desmos, and you will get every one of these right. I believe it.